Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and more. And today I'm going to cover what are the business ideas which you can use to earn income as commission rather than getting employed by anybody, or if you are not able to get any job, or you want a freedom in your life, you don't want to work for anybody, but you want to build a sustainable business or income based on commission on any business idea. So there are multiple ways to do that. I'm going to cover around 25 today, and you can think and choose what might work for you. Starting from affiliate marketing, there are a lot of things available on internet on affiliate marketing, but basically you are promoting product or services for somebody else and earning is commission on sales. Now, in commission based sales, it's always very important to understand you will earn only when you sell. It does not matter which product or services or business idea you are going to use in my list. It always happens on sales. And without sales, it will not happen. So affiliate marketing, you have to sell product or services and then get commission on that. You can choose areas like fitness, fitness, finance, or cosmetics, means fashion and things like that. Those are hot areas to sell affiliate marketing. You can become real estate referral agent. I'm not telling you to become a real estate agent. I'm trying to you to become a retail referral agent, which means that you need to connect buyers and seller with agents or companies to sell or buy product and properties. So that is very important, that you are not getting any license or upfront fee. You are not going to tag with any single realtor. You can connect with anybody, any local real estate agent, and you can work with them. So you have to build a lot of local relationships if you want to considering this particular area. The third one is insurance brokers. That is probably one of the highest earned commissions in the industry. If you're able to sell life insurance and especially whole life insurance, you actually make a lot of money on commission. They normally pay probably certain percentage of premium up to 5 years. So you have to see which company, but that's a good area to look into that. You can also become travel agent and connect buyers to travel agencies and make their planning and things like that easier. You can do end to end. Most of the people who are traveling don't do end to end. So for example, from pickup from their home to their destination and coming back to their home, if you can figure out each and every step and have a relationship with different vendors, you can actually do very well. You can target luxury travel, you can target adventure travel, you can target corporate travel. Very lucrative area. You have to build your initial connections and you should be good to go. Next one is your freelance recruiting. It's always recruitment is always a challenge. People don't want to invest, but if you are able to build good connections and good database of candidates whom you can offer to employers and vice versa, then actually you can do very well on freelance recruiting as well. You can become sales representative for many companies. If you see retail industry, there is an entire category of sales agents which works between buyers and the manufacturers and the distributors, and they actually earn a lot of money, probably 1% or half percent or something like that, but they trade in millions, so they make a lot of money in the transactions. You can become event planning referral agent. I'm not telling you to become event planning agent. Event planning referral agent, somebody who will connect people who want to do an event and then connect them to proper contractors or agencies and things like that. Huge market for that as well if you are able to build local relationships and local connections. You can also do influencer marketing, very high area in social media scenarios, and you can probably build your personal brand to promote product or services, you have to learn three areas to engage: either educate, entertain, or inspire. If you are able to do one of three, you will probably become an influencer in long run, and then you can actually make money out of it as well. The next one is you can become business broker, somebody who can help people who want to buy and sell businesses, connect them and let them figure out, and you can make money out of it. Business brokerage is also a big area. There are millions of around 50 million small businesses in America, and about 30% or so keep getting sold or closed out every year. So you have to figure out how you can make money out of it. Very huge potential here as well. Next one is you can become advertising sales agent. What that will be, you will sell ad spaces on local publications to advertisers. So it can be any local store, local newspaper. You can sell their newspapers ad space to the store, and you can make commission out of it. It's a very good area. You can become financial services referral agent. What I mean by that is you can connect potential people who want to invest or save money to the financial advisors or small bankers or business bankers and things like that. Huge market for that as well. Most people don't know what financial advisors are. You can learn how to talk like them. Don't become a financial advisor, but more or less build a relationship with the referral, and then ultimately you can transfer those leads to advisors. Next one is you can become art and collectible agent. Again, high-end market. You can sell different kind of art across the border, across the countries, and make money out of it, connecting buyers and sellers in luxury goods markets. Very lucrative area again to engage. You can also become freelance marketing consultant. You can actually provide a lot of services based upon your local area, local demographic, local taste, local festival, and things like that. And you can actually guide bigger brands on that. So, for example, if your community is full of, let's say, Indian American or Mexican American or white Americans, based upon that, you can reach out to brands and their own preferences for festival and things, and you can plan accordingly. Huge market for that as well. In US, car is a necessity. You can become a car broker, connecting buyers and sellers. Millions of cars sold every day. You can figure out your area, your county or township or something like that, and start connecting buyers and sellers together to make a living out of it. Huge market, but again, you have to be very careful and building deep relationship between buyers and sellers both. That can make a difference for you. You can become tour guide or experience guide for your local destinations. If you have a destination like New York or Niagara Falls or something like that, where a lot of tourists comes in, you can explore this area as well. It has a limited scope in other areas, but definitely in the areas where a lot of foot traffic comes from other areas, then you can definitely use those as an opportunity. You can become software as a service product sales. These startups are too many, probably hundreds and thousands of startups in the AI space itself, and you can sell those products and services to bigger corporation or enterprises, and you can make sales commission out of it. Very high commission they pay to people on commission, up to 40%. So very lucrative area again. You can connect home-based services. You can become a home-based services agent. What I mean by that is you can connect homeowners with local contractors or trustworthy contractors for, let's say, HVAC, heating, cooling, your plumbing, your handyman work, all those things. It's a huge market in US. You can start referring good contractor to homeowners and vice versa, and you can make commission from both the sides. So that's again a good area. Another area will be membership and subscription agent. There are a lot of companies, a lot of organizations offer memberships and subscription. For example, Time Magazine, Forbes Magazine, or American Management Association, and things like that. They offer a lot of services on subscription basis. You can sell those subscription to relevant buyers and to make a commission out of it. It's a huge market again. You have to figure out how to encash the market. You can become a crowdfunding consultant, where a lot of people who are struggling with funding, they have business ideas, they have prototypes, they're not able to fund their projects. You can figure out if you have capabilities or relationship in that areas. You can be a crowdfunding agent as well. That's a good area to engage if you have capacity in working in finance and technology and things like that. You can also become luxury good referral agent. It's a very high end market. If you are able to crack in this, you can actually make very good living out of it. Most of the agents who make a lot of commission either in luxury retail or luxury goods, because the buyers have money and seller also have the money, so both sides you can actually make good money in these transactions as well. You can become franchisee broker. So there are a lot of businesses who are expanding continuously by opening new stores, new location and things like that. You can become a financial franchisee broker who can connect people who are interested in taking franchises and people who are offering those services. Huge market again, considering a lot of stores which are only, let's say, in a county or in a state. They can go multi-state, they can go multi-county, they can go multi-country, and all those scenarios are there. So you have to see how far you can go. But again, this is a huge area for you can look into that. Another one is peer-to-peer lending. You can become commission-based agent for peer-to-peer lending. A lot of people lend money to each other. They don't know whom to go for to lend the money or whom to go for asking the money. So both areas you can connect buyers and sellers, and then you can see what you can do in that areas. You can also provide VA services yourself, or you can correct VA agent with the people who wants to avail those services, and both ways you can make money, good money out of it as well. There are a lot of people selling online courses and ebooks. You can offer their online services and ebook through different marketing styles and sell those courses and services, and you can make money out of it. So let's say you sell a $10,000 worth of course, you might get 30% commission. That will be $3,000. Huge business area. Again, people have to understand what they're selling, and if you are good in convincing and negotiating, this is a good area for you as well. And the last one will be drop shipping. If you are comfortable connecting people online who want to sell products on Amazon, buying from, let's say, Alibaba and things like that, then you can actually become a dropship agent as well. And you yourself can start a dropship business if you are able to set up an online store, connecting supplier to your store directly, and only buying when somebody has bought from you. So another good area to make commission based sales. You will have some startup costs in that, but mostly you are not holding any inventory or big capital investment, so you should be good enough. So yeah, these are the 25 I thought I should have written down and given a good feedback to you. Some of those will be very obvious to you, let's say you must have seen, but there are many ways to do commission based sales. Most important part in all these commission based sales is that you need to have a very strong relationship building capability. You need to be have very good in communication. You need to develop a lot of soft skills. You have to understand negotiation, and ultimately you need to understand sales and how to meet your numbers. That will be probably the ultimate goal for yourself, because nobody is going to tell you what to do in these scenarios. You are the only guide for yourself. So more people you connect in the industry where you want to work, more you engage with your audience and customers, more you will understand what to do, what not to do. So highly recommendable from my side. I think if you don't want to work for anybody, these are the areas you should definitely look into that and see what works for you. and let me know what you think of this content. Give me a feedback, and if you have any specific question on any of these areas, I can go in detail. I can tell you steps, I can tell you whom to contact. For any of these, I can definitely help you further if you want to. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.